Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle McGowan from the Center for Ankle and Foot Care, and I'm so excited to share something that we've added to our practice, a medical pedicure spa, right here in our Clermont office. If you've ever hesitated to get a regular pedicure because of nail fungus, neuropathy, diabetes, or just sensitive feet, this was built for you. Everything we do here is waterless, sanitary, and performed with medical grade precision by our licensed nail tech and our podiatrists. We've got a full menu of services, from relaxing everyday pedicure to advanced treatments like Keriflex nail restoration, which can completely rebuild a damaged nail so it looks natural again. We even use red light therapy to support healthy nail and skin recovery. Think of it this way: you take care of what people see. Now it's time to invest what carries you, your feet. Spots are limited and we are already booking. Call our office, or you can book online at centeranklefootcare.com. We're very excited to have this in our office, and we're very excited for you to pamper yourself.